Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to talk about Hbar, Hedera Hashgraph. Could the market potentially make a quick move up to 50 cents? If so, then that should be seen on a chart. We're going to break that down for you right now. Take a look at our current price prediction in the market for Hbar. You guys can see it was produced here on January the 7th. We were looking bullish into the market in Hbar. You guys can see maybe 4 or 5 days into our price prediction, the market in Hbar ultimately came all the way down here to a low of 25 cents. On January 13th, and then the market ran up to our particular point of TP on the 17th. So initially the price prediction did or the price action did go against our prediction. The market did dip, go lower, which was something that we should have extended rather than us, and then we saw the market in Hbar break out to this ultimate sell pocket right there on the 17th of January. So all in all, the market still went in our favor, outside of us initially seeing price go down. All right, so let's go ahead and get rid of that price prediction here, and let's go ahead and talk about what we think, or at least what is the probabilities of us seeing Hbar run up to 50 cents. Okay, now let's go ahead and get rid of this pocket of buying there, because the market did not hold the pocket, but rather the buyer supported price in Hbar right here. Okay, so these two areas are going to be real important on us noticing and us seeing the buyer's ability to move price up to 50 cents, these two pockets. All right, so even though we're currently seeing price in Hbar trending down 7.35%, we need to keep our eyes focused on these pockets of buying here for the long term. Next thing that we're going to get rid of is this seller's pocket right here, because the sellers did not hold back the buyers, but this current sell pocket is still valid. You guys can see over 2 days ago, the volume increased, the price closed off of the highs of these two bars, and now the market currently is down 7%, which all confirms that sellers are being positioned right there. Okay, so if we want to see price break out to 50 cents, then we need to see the buyers get rid of all of these sellers in this pocket. Let's take a look at Hbar on the 2 real quick. Currently, we did receive on this last 2-day price bar indicates that the market is bullish. So we're going to continue to follow that notion, even though we're down 7% on the day right now. Here it is on the 3. Here it is, 6 hours and 7 minutes left on the current 3-day price bar. One thing that will make me change my premise of us looking for Hbar to make a move up to 50 cents, we'll see this current 3-day price bar close all the way down here on the low. If that's the case, and if we do see that, then we might need to prepare ourselves to see price in Hbar test these two pockets of buying right here between 23 cents all the way up there to 25 cents. So we still got 6 hours left on that. Here it is on the 4. This tells me right here on this 4-day bar that the arrow's pointing up to. It's letting me know that the buyers really want to control the price. We're starting out on a new 4. So again, we need to see if the buyers still want it. If they want it, then the market won't go as low away or trade as low from this pocket of selling. It won't happen if they really want it. The way that you can tell if they don't want to control the price, and I'm talking about the buyers, is if this current 4-day price bar comes all the way back down either to the open or the low of the last prior 4-day bar. If that happens, then it tells us that those buyers aren't relentless, meaning they got tired, or they ran out of money to buy the price of Hbar up there around 40 cents. So they left, they retreated. So let's just see how the market ends on the 4. Here it is on the 5. You guys can see that, yes, sellers are there in that pocket. Here it is on the weekly chart. Okay. And here it is on the 2. So one thing I also want to mention as to why I do suspect the market in Hbar still wants to go up is this whole time that price in Hbar was trading in December. Take a look what the market price action was doing. It's just pretty much trading within the range, right? This whole opportunity, this whole time could be an opportunity that the buyers were accumulating these sellers. Okay, which would mean that yes, we could see the market run up and hit that 50 cent point. But as of right now, we're seeing the stages of selling hitting. So yeah, be prepared for the market in Hbar to come down. I do want to create some targets of buying. So let me look at this on the 3. Okay, so let me go ahead and put some pockets of buying here in Hbar on the 3, because our idea is that price is still bullish, but right now the stage is set for price to come down. So we will want to see the market bounce and hold one of these two pockets of buying in order for us to continue to see the relation of price going up. Okay, it might even be here too, so let me draw another one. All right, so these will be the three that we're going to keep our eyes focused in on in Hbar. So I'm going to drop a prediction looking for the price to go up in Hbar. And ultimately, we don't want to see the market break this pocket of buying right there. We don't want to see that happen. If it does, then we'll have to revamp, revise, change our price prediction as to where we think Hbar is trying to go. Now, we're not going to be crazy. As we can see now that sellers are still in this pocket, we need to skim off some of the profit as price lifts. Okay, so either at the low or at the high of this pocket will be a target. At the high is around 39 cents, 13.12% there. And then our next target, let's just do 45 cents, which is around 29.74%. Okay, let me see this on the monthly. Okay, so yeah, we've already came here on this particular exchange in Hbar. We saw price hit 50 cents back in 2021. So it's probable, it's still on the table, but we're just going to stair step our way to those levels, all right? So let me bring this over a little bit. Yeah, I think we'll keep it right there. So that's it for me. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.